there's a new thing on the dashboard that may help you. It's this little support widget. This has some links for you. Also, there are direct links so you can email me. There are my phone numbers if you need to call me. There's a link to the guide that I sent you, so there you can always find that. Also, a link to a page that I will be adding more video tutorials for you guys. So here you can come in here and find the manual. Here's one, the page for the manual. You can click through to the link that I put on that page. Back one more. Here's about the dashboard links. So that is right here. You may lose it if it looks like this. You got to hit the caret here. That will open it up. And if for some reason it disappears completely, such as that, come up here to the top where it says Screen Options. Click that. Look for Tait Marketing Support. Check the box, and it will magically reappear.